Can we get this started? I have to poop.
Let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a challenge video. We're doing the makeup challenge with some of my friends. This
Danny,
is
Ralph,
and Yanni. So this is the makeup challenge. We're going to be doing the guys' makeup today, and we're going to see who is the most beautiful of them all.
and you guys get to vote at the end of the video. So let us know who looks more beautiful, more beautified.
Three.
Wait.
2, 1, go.
Oh my god, it's really white.
It just looks really white.
It's cold. It's cold.
Does it feel good? Wait, should I put your beard?
I don't know.
Wait, this is too white. He's gonna let it go.
I told you.
Oh
I went to
my
the beach
God.
today.
After this challenge, you're going to want to wear makeup every day. I promise.
This is really
This
good.
is soft coverage.
Yeah.
Okay, put your lips like together.
Your bangs?
No, like inside. Like,
I think
yeah,
I need
there
to
you
clip his bangs. Do you have some bobby
go.
pins?
My hair.
I need a bobby pin because Ralph's bangs are in the way.
What does it feel like?
It feels soft and
Oh my god.
smells
what
funny. It smells fruity.
It's like I'm getting a haircut.
Pink.
Oh,
Danny, you look flawless.
Dude, if this looks
Your
natural,
hair.
I might use it. Just kidding.
Now I'm putting on concealer.
Naturally flawless.
Concealer wakes up your eyes if you haven't had a lot of sleep the day before.
I haven't actually. You go downhill. Okay,
Always
we go.
Like you don't.
What is that?
You don't have any
Concealer. Close your
spots.
eyes. Right now, she's
Josh, can you start
These
making the
smell
brownies so you can feed them to us while they do
This is
this?
a really soft brush. You
Look, I'm
put
ready for
concealer-
tribal
Do you have a
night.
concealer brush?
I'm ready for tribal night.
I forgot to do this.
Danny, you look awesome.
Ralphie didn't get there. Don't worry. Make a fish face.
Make a fish.
Because I have to see where your contour. No, like,
Okay, now it's blended.
Wait, like what?
like push your cheeks together.
Now Ralph looks like he's dead.
I'm ready.
Your eyes are so red.
Do I gotta make a fish face though?
Yeah.
You too, Ralph.
Make a fishy face. You know the saying contour on fleek? Contour on fleek.
I look like Charizard.
Oh
Wait, what? What?
It looks so flawless.
I'm scared
You
now.
woke up flawless.
It looks so
This, I'm
flawless.
gonna contour your
I
nose.
woke up like this.
I'm so proud.
Fishy face. Let's see which one looks better. Leave your comments down below. Wait, you know what? Should I talk like that? 'Cause I can't be wearing makeup and not ready.
This is making you guys like a different person.
You gotta choose either one. You can't have both.
Okay,
You either wear makeup or you talk like that.
I'm so
Girl, you have no idea. Have you seen these eyelashes? They're all natural.
Seriously, these eyelashes are you.
Yeah, Ralph
Wait,
has
are you gonna do the lips too?
Yes! Red,
No!
red lipstick.
Why?
Can you
What is
curl your
that?
lashes? Wait, this is gonna be
What
so
is that?
funny.
Look
Go
at
into the
this.
thing and curl your. This is the scariest part of putting makeup on, and I'm gonna do it.
I'm
on
not even
Ralph.
curling your eyelashes. You're so lucky.
Yeah,
Now
I'm
you're
just
curling
gonna
Ralph's eyelashes.
Open.
Ah!
Alright.
Ralph's not even doing that.
Oh my god.
Okay, I'm literally only doing mask. Wait, don't finish before me. Just pretend you're doing something.
My lips are so chapped.
Ah!
He's
I
just like,
feel it!
oh my god.
Where is it?
This freaks me
Okay.
out.
Danny!
2, 3, go.
Look.
I can't. This is scary. I look like a clown.
Okay, look at Ralph. Ready?
I'll give you.
Holy frick. Oh my god!
Yeah, that's it.
But I can't see myself. Do I look fat?
Wait, where's my phone?
Do you know what we're doing? Do you know what you're doing?
Makeup challenge. When I say I'm with, you gotta say your name and your YouTube channel.
I don't have one.
Minardi.
I do, but I don't want to make them.
What's her name?
No, I don't want to.
We serve
We literally just met today.
But I gotta poop, guys, so that's why I'm constipated.
Just go!
No,
You're so red right
just
now.
wanna,
You're
I just
so
want to make myself laugh. Alright. What? Are you gonna have
Sorry. Okay.
Let's do it.